Hello everybody! Welcome back to another video. I'm Melancholy Crypto. Today we're just going to look at some of the cryptocurrency news going around. There's been some really big news about XRP. There's been some big news about DIA. I want to talk about Compound. I want to go over some general investing advice. And then we'll talk a little bit about Cardano. And also the US stimulus checks. Okay, so first off, I just wanted to shout out my Twitch channel. I will be streaming over Christmas. I mostly just play Spiral Nights, do some talking, play some Dota 2. So if you want to pull out your coffee and start listening to me, you're very welcome. Okay, so looking at the cryptocurrency market in general, we see that the Bitcoin dominance is at 68.64%, which is, don't get me wrong, it's going up. However, it's still in a downtrend because only a few months ago it was above 70%. So it's still in a general downtrend. However, that might break out soon if it continues to go up. But I'm still skeptical about the Bitcoin dominance. I still think it's going to go down. I think there's an altcoin market around the corner. And then looking at XRP, it's down 33%. Oh my gosh. So XRP has this lawsuit where basically the SEC is saying, hey, you're not a currency. You can't do this. Your initial coin offering is totally illegal because you're not a currency. You're a security, which is yikes, man, yikes. XRP could lose a lot of money in this lawsuit, and basically if you resemble anything like XRP, you should be concerned, right? You do not want to be classified as a security. It's a big deal, especially when you're not trying to be a security. So XRP needs to be concerned about, XRP holders, watch out. Okay, DIA update. Towards the end of the year, this is a very eventful year for DIA. Since our last October update, both the DeFi market and the DIA project have been fast-paced developments, but we want to summarize for you. Okay, so summary, there was a KuCoin hack where all the hot wallets on KuCoin got hacked and they basically lost everything. And then KuCoin has committed to repurchasing DIA back from the market. So that's really bullish for DIA because it means it's negating all the sell-off effect that happened because of that. And then additionally, they've because DIA is a decentralized autonomous organization, they voted to burn 50% of the yearly treasury release of 4.5 million DIA, which is extremely bullish for the tokenomics. People are the supply is being burned, and then they're also buying back the DIA. So those two things combined is going to make the price go up. If you don't know what DIA is, it's a decentralized oracle. So it's bringing data to ERC products. It's a big deal. I think ERC20s and DeFi still have legs to grow in this next coming bull market. So I think that's really good. Just looking at Compound developers will launch a new protocol for interaction with various blockchains. So Compound is an ERC20 where you can borrow and lend your ERC20 tokens. So Compound has it's at 600 million market cap right now. However, if they could lock up some of the value from other coins that aren't ERC20s, this could double or triple the Compound market cap, right? So it's still just being developed right now. They're just doing a test network. But if this protocol comes out next quarter and it works as intended, this is extremely bullish for Compound, and I'm definitely looking to make it a part of my portfolio. Lending and borrowing is already great. Like, this is already a great protocol. If they could add to that and just increase their market share, by including non-ERC20s, that would be massive. This is a PSA. Do not FOMO and invest more money than you have. So cryptocurrency is this enticing beast that is like promises of riches and wealth. However, if you take out leverage or you sell your house and you take on a bunch of risk to buy it, you're kind of stupid because it also has great risk. Like, it goes down 20% in a single day, and that's not that weird. So a rule of thumb is to stop investing once you get emotional. You're not at a roulette table, so you don't need to feel the need to impulsively gamble away all your money. Don't think about it like that. You should just invest a reasonable amount whenever you can. This is looking at native tokens on Cardano. So Cardano is coming out with their own version of ERC20, basically native tokens to Cardano. Those native tokens are natively supported in many different ways that ERC20s aren't. So the programming language that you can use to support your Cardano tokens doesn't have to be in any single language. It complies with a whole range of languages. And one example of that is the KEVM, the virtual machine that can basically onboard Ethereum programmers who can now start working on Cardano, which is huge, just massive. And then additionally, Cardano came out with their own Oracle, which basically means that they're going to natively support anything built on Cardano with their own Oracle. So they basically thought everything through. I mean, that's just awesome. When will the IRS send you a second stimulus check? Darn, it's been so long. I feel like everybody's kind of just done at this point. I mean, heaps of people have become homeless. There's huge people lining up at food banks because they're just waiting for the government support. You know, these huge companies have gotten billions and billions of dollars of support, and the average person has not gotten any support at all. So, this is so late, and it's not that much money. $600 is, it's not that great because of 30% of all US dollars were printed this year, which means you are just getting 1 or 2% of the total amount of supply being added into circulation. So you're not getting the good end of the stick on this part. Okay, so big companies, big corporations are benefiting the most from this. Small corporations, small businesses getting totally messed up. The average individual definitely not getting hit the hardest by inflation right now. Okay. Zilliqa has only 8.9% of its supply on exchanges, and just in the last 30 days, almost 3% of that was taken off exchanges. So, wow, as people lock up Zilliqa, and yeah, as the exchanges go dry and people lock it up on the network, this is gonna really, like, I'm still buying Zilliqa. It's gone up 100% since I made my video on Zilliqa, but don't get me wrong, I am still buying more Zilliqa because I think people are just going to keep locking it up, and there's almost not it's already really scarce on exchanges. So guys, this is a catalyst for a huge movement. I really think Zilliqa, it's already ranked 39 on CoinMarketCap. However, it definitely can keep going up. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you check out my Twitch stream. I will be live. Come talk to me, come drink some coffee, come say hello. All right, thank you. Bye.